On Facebook, it uses the love button. It creates more awareness out there, and we can reach more people. So please share the love button. Good morning, everybody. Let me see who else is on here. Ja, nee Marlies, ons moet alles probeer wat ons kan, jong. Jy weet, hoe sê hulle, hier is die beste tyd om nou nuwe dinge te probeer en ek is baie bly om dit saam met mense te deel wat wat willingness om hierdie pad saam te stap en te leer by ander mense. So ek bedoel, ek kyk ook maar gereeld. Ek bedoel, die res van die dag ek kry vir my baie video's wat ek na kyk. Ek kyk na my werk wat ek doen, my kliënte wat ons skakel. En ons probeer maar die beste maak van die omstandighede. Ek het nou vanoggend agter in my tuin gestaan te hoor ek hoe praat die neighbor van ek gaan op 'n webinar. En ek bedoel, wie sou kon dink, kom ons sê 10 jaar terug, 5 jaar terug, dat ons gaan dinge gebruik soos webinars en Zoom sessions en virtual reality rooms. Jy weet, al hierdie nuwe goedes, jy weet. So I think for a lot of us it's adapting to the new way of communicating, where ek weet nie wie van julle kan nog onthou die ou telefone, jy weet, waar hy nog ingeplak was by 'n muur, of nog ouer, daai wat jy gedraai het met die slinger. Jy weet, so ons kom nou aan 'n hele pad met tegnologie. En jy weet, ons moet adapt, want as ons nie adapt nie, gaan ons agterbly. En in ons coaching praat ons van the map is not your reality. Jy weet, ons almal het 'n ander realiteit van wat dinge aangaan. We all have our different views of the world. So ja, baie dankie vir almal wat opkom. Elsa, goeiemôre. Ek sien jy's ook weer op vanoggend. Baie dankie Naomi, goeiemôre. Jaco, goeiemôre. Baie dankie dat julle ons join vanoggend. Melinda. Ja, Melinda het nou ook, ek sien Melinda het nou haar YouTube channel begin. En sy doen al die lekkerste bakke en broue, van pannekoek tot nagereg. Ek kan so net kyk elke oggend jou stukkie. So Melinda, dis baie nice video's wat jy maak daar, saam met jou kinders. En jy weet ouens, ek dink dis nou maar die dinge wat ons maar moet doen. Jy weet, ons kan nie net sit en ons koppe vashou en sê maar wat gaan ons maak nie. Ek dink jy moet opkyk en jy moet open mind hê om te sê maar weet jy wat, ek gaan iets anders moet doen. Jy weet, ek gaan moet aanpas, want wanneer die deure weer oop gaan daar baie mense wees wat hierdie tyd gebruik het om te sê right, let me get ahead. Want die wat gaan slaap, gaan agterbly. So dis hoekom ons hierdie dinge doen. Susan, goeiemôre, good morning. As nou 'n hele paar mense hier vanoggend. So basically, ek dink, jy weet, 'n mens moet jy kan of besluit of jy bly in jou comfort zone waar jy is. And if it's serving you good, then that's fine. But if it's not serving you, if it's not giving you the life that you're expecting, if you're sitting with things that's not giving you good results, then I would suggest maybe take this time and go on the internet, go and read articles, do what we do in the morning, get together and learn from each other. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to quickly give you go on where we started yesterday about a growth mindset and a set mindset or a fixed mindset. You read a lot of people say, you hear that people say that you're so stuck in your ways, you don't want to change, but that's, for some people that's fine, because that's their modality and that's what they are used to. But the problem is sometimes you don't realize that it's actually holding you back from becoming your true potential. And in our transformation coaching, what we do is we help people install new empowering beliefs to change that belief system so that you can become the best version of you. So I just want to ask you this question about a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. So why is it dangerous to have a fixed mindset in your personal self-development? What do you think? Now, obviously, we all have different opinions. My opinion, that people with a fixed mindset people that's fixed in this in the mindset rarely excel at anything because of their limiting beliefs. So I'm not saying that you can't excel. It's just that you have so much more potential, and your limiting beliefs are holding you back from maybe making you go that extra mile or growing more, doing what the other people are not doing, and not conforming to being normal. As niks verkeerd met normal nie. It's just that, is that the best version of you? So like I said, these limiting beliefs can stop you. So like what? I'll give you an example. At the moment, there's a lot of people that might lose their jobs because of companies closing and they're moving their way of business. So your services might not be needed when you go back. And then people find themselves where there's job losses, companies are closing. And now they go back into the new job market and they're going to start going for interviews, and you go for the one interview. So let's say a guy with a negative or with a fixed mindset, he's now going for these interviews. And he goes for the interview and they don't phone him back and he doesn't get the first one. Then he goes for the second interview and he doesn't get that one either. And after 3-4 interviews, he decides, you know what? No, this is not for me. I will never be good enough. These negative limiting beliefs come in where it says, I'm not good enough. I will never get that promotion. So some people will stay stuck in that position, that they don't see another outcome because this is the belief I have about me. So that's why that's one of the dangers of having a fixed mindset. They will also then come up with excuses because now it's humiliating because you're not getting a job. And so the excuses come out of, you know what, it's not who you know, but it's not what you know, but it's who you know. That person has got so much, he's always friendly with the boss. That's why he got the promotion. And those are the reasons people with a fixed mindset comes up. So ultimately the problem is that this will stop you from becoming your true potential if you're in a fixed mindset. So how can I help you with our transformation process? What we do is we've got techniques which we call negative belief therapy, where we unlock and see how we can free you from these negative or these limiting beliefs. So what we then do is we install new and empowering beliefs that helps you and enable you to reach your full potential. That's what we do if you do the full transformation process with us. Then the last thing that I just want to mention is that, remember, there is no such thing as failure. Failure is just feedback from what you need to look at. What can I do better? And my job as a coach is to look at these things that you see as feedback or these failures, and to open up your eyes and your beliefs about them so that we can create a better version of yourself by taking you through these steps. So these negative beliefs are blocking you, and I would love to help you so that we can get you to change from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. So what I'll do tomorrow is we're going to talk about the positiveness about the growth mindset. If you like what I do in the mornings, do it there. I see Naomi, you are going mad with those hard buttons. Baie dankie. Marlies, baie dankie dat julle opgekom het. If you like what I do, please like this or press the love button, and then you go there, it says share button, you share it so it goes across the network. And guys, remember, we're all in this. I say it every morning. The only way is for you, for us to go through this, is to actually keep yourself busy with new things. Go look. I mean, at the moment, I'm going through all my work that I haven't done during the year, things that I couldn't get to. And I think I mentioned this yesterday. There's a lot of people that will take this time and work on some new hobby, or do that online session that you wanted to do, or work in the garden, or go through your books that you wanted to read. I mean, it's a good time to start reading some material now. And I think that's it for the day. I'm now going to get on my treadmill and run my 5K. And then ons het 'n paar bye gehad hier agter ons yard vanoggend. Die honde moes ons nou in die huis hou. En jy weet, elke dag het sy ou challenges. Baie dankie julle opgekom het. Mooi dag vir julle almal verder. Thank you for the love and the shares, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock again. Oh, so by the way, our website is thechrysalisco.com, and I also have a YouTube channel where there's some regular content on there. Please go look at it. I'll put the links in the comments below. When you go on the YouTube channel, just subscribe. At the moment, it doesn't cost you anything. If you want to subscribe now, you're not going to get charged for it, so you can subscribe for free. And it's just to help everybody. So have a wonderful day, guys, and look after each other and stay safe. Bye bye.